Come and follow the testing process that ensures screen-pretty items are hypoallergenic, meaning they're skin-safe and less likely to cause an allergic reaction. First, the items are placed in a degreaser to remove any grease, oil, or other contaminants. Once cleaned, they are suspended above a slight acidic liquid before heading into the oven for 2 hours to begin corrosion. After another round of cleaning, the items are placed in a barrel filled with nuts and spun for 5 hours. This step helps simulate wear before moving on to the chopping and masking process. Each component is then cut and separated to ensure there's enough surface area for accurate testing. Any newly exposed areas that wouldn't normally come into contact with the skin are carefully masked off. Next, the components are immersed in an artificial sweat solution before being placed in the oven for a week. Once removed from the oven, the samples are decanted into inductively coupled plasma, or ICP, test tubes, and placed into the ICP racks along with standards, quality control samples, and blanks. The ICP, equipped with an autosampler, analyzes each sample in sequence to determine whether the item has passed. If an item receives a pass result, it means the component is kind to skin and less likely to cause an allergic reaction.